What font is used on Windows 8 or Windows Phone 8? What font is used for the interface in Windows Phone 8 and Windows 8? Is this font free to use?
Windows 8 Developer Preview uses Sago WP in some places, mostly Metro-styled apps and settings, and the Windows 7 default font Sago UI on the desktop. The consumer preview of Windows 8 will use Sago WP everywhere. The fonts are free to use. You get them if you install Visual Studio 2010 or other free developer tools from Microsoft for creating Windows Phone apps.
By default, Sago UI is the font used by Windows. Windows XP used Tahoma for most user interfaces. Windows 98 used MS Sans Serif.
As Jono stated in his answer, Sago UI is the current default. You can check and change the exact font being used on your system by opening the control panel, going to Appearance and Personalization. Clicking Change Window Glass Colors. Clicking Advanced Appearance Settings. Then selecting Message Box from the drop-down menu to view the dialog box font settings for your system. Note, the screenshots and directions above are based on Windows 7. The exact steps to reach these settings may differ on other versions of Windows.
What font is used for the interface in Windows Phone 7 and Windows 8 Dev Preview? For their Metro design language, Microsoft use fonts from the Sago family. Windows Phone 7 uses Sago WP. Is this font free to use? Sago WP is bundled with Visual Studio 2010, but, I'm guessing here, you are probably only allowed to use it in your developed software and related materials. A very similar Sago UI is free for personal use, but must be licensed from Microsoft for commercial usage or for web development. Sago UI is also closely related to Puddle, which is sold commercially.
Just